Whoa, 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 whoa. What is going on, guys? We need some inventory, so we are gonna buy some cars. Hopefully. Not saying we are. Yeah, I guess maybe by the title, I might have titled this video something wild, but I need some cars. We have a car dealership, Caleb and I, that is my business partner. We have a car dealership in Arkansas. We have a car dealership in Arizona. If you need a car, hit me up if you're in one of those states, and we ship them. So let me know. We're like a little Carvana, but way smaller. But yeah, we're going to be looking at car deals. Prices are insanely high because it's tax time and because the old stimmies are flying out the window and flying out the door into people's mailboxes. So the prices are insanely high. I haven't been able to buy anything. I've got 5 cars on the way. That is the most contradicting thing I said in one sentence. Haven't been able to buy anything. I have 5 cars on the way. Anyways, what I mean by that is I need like 15. So we're 10 short. So let's see if we can buy some. Here we go. Cotton Eye Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where we going from? Cotton Eye Joe. Bam, bam, bam. All right, here we go. ACV. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Here we go. This is a online dealer-only auto auction. I might go through this. There's probably not going to be any live. Let's see if there's any live bids. No live auction runs right now. Our distance, let's do 600 miles from my zippy whippy code. What just happened? 600 miles. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Oh, Dodge Journey. Green light. Indiana. What's the distance? Shipping $700. It's going to definitely go in the 4s. I do buy here, pay here, so I like the cheaper stuff because I'm basically risking my own money to lend out, and the customers usually that do buy here, pay here aren't as reliable as someone with good credit because usually they buy from me because they have to because their credit is turd. So, all right, here we go. 30 seconds. What is going on? What is this? Oh, this is live auctions from all over the world. Wow, that is honestly pretty cool. Wow, this is a new feature. Stuff so far away, though. Wow, I've not noticed this. Huh? All right, we're going to do make offer. That's what I want to do. But in my area, like, I don't want to be... This is so far. Buying filters. Let's do that, maybe. 500 miles. Yeah, 600 miles from that zip code. Save search. Did it do it? That's so far away. Oh boy, let me see what we got. Oh, you just turn it on. Super easy. Okay. All right, let's turn her on. All right, so 107,000 miles, little equi, transmission issue. That's always good. Next, Sentra, little Cinci, 1,500 bones, hail damage, transmission issue. Next, we need some green lights. You need to look for the greens. $1,500. Engine problem. Next, Jesus, come on. 4-wheel drive, 2,500 bones. Yellow, that's going to be really hard to sell. I'm not going to go for that one. Yellow is about impossible to get rid of, so I don't want to see a yellow car on my lot for 9 months. Yuki, a little Yukon Wukon, huh? Caddy DeVille. Kia Sportage, green light, 1,900 bones. Ooh. Brake, ABS light on, that's okay. Jump start required, that's probably why that light's on. It usually throws all those and then it throws codes. Only one code. Cupping on the out. Ooh. 4-wheel drive? A Sportage. Oh, I'm liking this. 4 banger. Seats don't look bad, carpet looks terrible. That's fine though, I got the best detail guy in the game. What's up with it? What do we do? Pow, pow, pow. Evap leak. That's not a big deal. We're in Arkansas. Everything has lights on. I need it to be a good car, not say it has an evap leak, and then people freak out. They don't freak out here because they expect a little bit of stuff on used cars, which is good. All right, it's a manual. Did I miss that part? I thought I just saw a four-wheel drive knob. It's a manual. Yeah, we're making an offer for sure. Little manual Ford. That's a hunting rig, and if you guys don't know where I'm at, I'm in Beebe, Arkansas. There is like farmland out the bung all around me. I mean, four-wheel drive anything, especially like four-wheel drive manuals. These farmers, like, I mean, it probably doesn't make sense, but a lot of farmers have quite a bit of money, and they have so many tax incentives. So they like write-offs, like they can write anything off when you have a farm. So it's like they'll buy this stuff like water. They'll buy like bottles of water. But anyways, I'm gonna give a little offer. I'm put a little 1,400. I'm gonna be nice. 1,500. That's not far fetched. They might hit that. I'm gonna confirm. Bang bang. I can sell that 3,900 cash all day long here. I just know the market. That is a hot cake out here for any of these farms like Hazen, Desart, Hickory Plains. Just you're golden McGolden out here. So let's move on. We need some more offers. Hopefully we don't get all these offers. I'm not made of money, so if everyone accepts at once, that would be scary. But we're going to offer, because odds are they're not all going to accept. Transmission codes. All right. Volkswagen Jetta. I knew it. They kind of suck. These CVT, very scary. I did do well with one recently, but very scary. I recommend not going for a lot of Nissans because of that reason. FYI, if you're looking to buy a car, CVT, stay away. Ford Focus, 98,000 miles, transmission issue, classic Ford, nice. Escapes and Explorers, they're really good with transmission issues. All right, let's see what we got. I need something good. A little Malibu, 173. Engine problem, time. They always say this. How's it sound? Pretty normal. Tennessee. Is it a gamble? Are we a gambling machine on this? Where is this at? Scares me. It's got a fence around it. What is this? I feel like this is like okay. In a weird way, leather. I'm gambling on this one. 173. It's that code. What's the code say exactly? They got a code scanner. Let's see what it says. Where's that little code right here? Intake A, camshaft position, timing, over advance, bank 1. Little 18 hundo, bang, bang, boom. Got him. I think I'm good, as long as it runs and drives good. These people out here, they don't really care. I'll probably have to drive that though, like 3 nights in a row just to make sure that the car is good. I do not want someone calling me saying it's not, so that's what I try and do is I don't even own a personal car. I just drive the car lot cars. And every night I whip home a different little beater, Just kidding. But I do. 05 F-150, engine problem. Those, very scary. 3-valve 5.4, 3-valve 4.6. Very risky motors. 2 valves, not too bad. Coil packs go bad on them. You change those. Boom, you're good. 04 Ford Explorer, internal engine noise. These, the transmissions go out on these pretty often. They're not the most reliable, but you can get some good ones sometimes, and they're cheap, and people like them because of the price. But 1,500 with the engine noise. Let's see. Actively dripping oil leak. Not good. Out. All right, Nissan Quest. 160,000 miles. Transmission issue. What is up with that? Ford Fusion. Okay, that's weird because I got them down to 1,800 yesterday. Now they're back at 2. I told you guys. It's a restored title. I know. I don't ever hardly buy them, but I could sell this for probably $3,000 if I can get it here for like 19. Then I'd be happy. So I'll offer 1,600 and see what happens. Yeah, that's it. I went up since yesterday. They won't know it's me, but they'll know that they got a better offer. So boom, there we go. Maybe they'll be happy. 09 Honda Pilot, pretty good rigs. I feel like this is going to have a problem. Engine noise, let's see. 3,000 just seemed low. Yeah, you can kind of tell on that. I don't want to mess with it. Not good. It might steer away a couple customers. What about this one? Hail damage, frame damage, a whistling sound. The distance is 474. That's not that far. Is the hood open? Or what? 120,000 miles. Hail on hood. Frame, unibody damage. It is, all right, so for context, these are unibody cars. If you can, like, I've seen people go over a curb and it hits like, it kind of like high centers, but since they're unibody, they'll claim it as frame damage, and the car is not messed up. Or I've seen someone shutting, literally, since the body's all one piece, right? I've seen someone shut like let's say like a metal, almost like a clothes hanger, but something thicker than a clothes hanger that would actually dent it and dent the inside of the door, like the door jamb on any of the 4 doors inside. They'll claim that as frame damage because it's all one piece. The car is not bad. So I hate when they say that. Hail damage, they classify that with like the smallest dents. I don't even see that many on the roof. Let's see if at the end maybe there is some. All right, let's see. Is there any on the hood? Something right here. That's not hail, though. Look. Oh, it has a missing piece. Okay. Detail guy. Easy. That's it? That's not bad. The car's not that bad. $3,000, 474 away. I mean, 100%. If it drives good, there's no transmission codes because these are pretty sketchy cars sometimes. Let me see. Where are we at? Where are the codes at? Mass or air. Okay, that's fine. This is not bad. And the engine. Oh, it has a whistling sound? I don't know. I mean, whatever. We need cars. 2,600. Take it or leave it. 24 hours. Bang, bang. Choo, choo. Woo, woo. We got it. All right, let's see. Sent that one. We need some cars, as you can tell. I'm getting pretty desperate. 131 red light. That's not good. Red light, not good. Green light, I've seen that a million times. Seen this a million times. They keep running that daggum same car through the auction. 255, this will probably sell. Red light, because it's over 200K. 255 seems crazy, but man, people buy this stuff. I'm not going to buy this. Oh, is it a new car store? Oh, it's rusted bad. Too much. Mileage way too high. We're not going down that route. Let's see, 120. Ford Focus. What do we got wrong with this bad boy, huh? Engine runs rough. Hesitation. Not going to go there. Ooh, a S10 green. Look at this thing. Look at this. They love this stuff out here. Bam. Lowered. Someone's balling out here, huh? Oh, yes. 167. Bed's in great shape. Look at the bed. This is how you know on a lot of trucks when they're all scratched up. That's just dirty. That bed is not dented up. I mean, that thing's in good shape. That's how you know it wasn't like hauled and used and pulled. And what that also tells you is the transmission probably doesn't have a lot of wear on it, pulling a lot of weight all the time. The oils looks like it's been changed, not milky. If it's milky, the head gasket's usually blown. Typical rust, I mean, that's normal. That's not anything crazy. EVAP, that basically means no codes. Wow, this is not a bad deal. 2,500? Please don't be far away. Please don't be far away. Oh my God, it's far away. That's why I didn't see it. Actively dripping oil, engine burn off, detect odor detect. Oh, it's got an oil leak in it. You can smell it. Oh, trucks are so high right now. I would give 1,800. Take it or leave it, big boy. 1,800, little offer there. We're not going to know if we got any of these cars probably within this video, but yeah, I do this every single stinking day to the day I die. I just do this over and over and over again, and I love it. And yeah, we just sell cars, and that's how it goes. This is what I do. Don't know what else to say. Chevy Cobalt sold one of these. It's like the first car I sold out here in Arkansas. Did we just bid on this? It's also 120, and it's less. Transmission issues. Oh, that makes sense. Not gonna go down that route. Not gonna do that, huh? No, sir. All right, well, this is it. I'm going to stop the video now and keep looking for you guys. So let's zoom out. Bam. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I do this every single day. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, hitting the like button, smashing it, because it means the world to me. Trying to grow my YouTube channel, need to. Car sales are back and forth. I get extra time in the morning to film these videos. They're very congruent with what I do anyway. And hopefully they're informative to you guys, because I've been doing this since I was 15 years old. I'm 25 now. That's 10 years of seeing just about the same cars every single day. So I'm very, knowledgeable with the same selection of cars. And I know what typically goes wrong with them. So maybe it'll help you with your next car purchase, your next car flip, whatever it is. Hopefully this video will help you guys. Consider subscribing. That would be awesome. It would mean a ton to me. Follow me on Instagram. You can click that link down below. I post all of our sales from Karsten and Moore Auto and Karsten and Moore BB on there, all of our customers, all of our inventory, all that stuff. You can see that there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to stop this video. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Happy Kwanzaa. Just kidding. All right, I'm done.